going? It's attorney Tadisha Rowe with American Legal Immigration Center in the DMV of the United States, bringing you another episode of Immigration Dream University. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are subscribers and returning viewers, I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long. There's just a lot going on, and in terms of the clients that I have, who I love so much, I just always want to make sure that I'm there for them 100%. So if that means delaying a video here and there for them, then that's exactly what I will do. And as you guys know, things have started to speed up again in certain areas, and so you know, part of my responsibility in keeping up with that is making sure that I'm available to do what I need to do at the end of the day for my client's best interest. So again, I apologize. I think you know, with every business, that when you're going through growth or different periods of growth, and you have to kind of find your rhythm there, and that's exactly what we've been doing. I'm very fortunate. I have the most amazing clients and the most amazing team, and so I think we are back into a rhythm here. So you will see more consistent videos. I don't know if I'm going to do videos video postings on Saturdays and or Sundays consistently, because I don't know how realistic that is going to be, but I would like to put out more videos. So what you can do to keep abreast and be notified of everything that I am putting out there is just to hit that subscription bell. Sorry for the noise in the background if you can hear it, but if you can hit the subscription, the red subscription box below, and then also the notification bell, then that will let you know whenever I have posted a video, and so that way we can keep up with each other. Alright guys, so if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you. And as I'm filming this, it is October 8th, and I'm actually going to speak about a recent development and something that I think most of you guys are going to be very interested in. For those of you who are filing to replace your green card, either because it has expired or because you have lost it, and you file what's known as the form I-90. If you are filing that form to replace your green card, if you are just now filing it, then this is going to be applicable going forward. If you filed it already, then you know that it's taken a very long time to get that green card replacement. And you know, it is frustrating. It is what it is. We have to try to find ways to work around the frustration, because it can't stop us from doing what we need to do, which is the reason why we need the card in the first place. So the great thing is that USCIS has made an announcement in regards to that. On September 26th, they published on their website that they are now extending the 12-month extension for the I-90, the green card, to 24 months. So what this means is that if you are applying to replace your green card, and you do have your actual physical green card, they will still continue to send you the receipt. It's the I-797C receipt. You will still continue to receive that, and in the language of that, it's going to say that there's an extension, an automatic extension of 12 months past the expiration date. So if you're traveling, for instance, you want to bring that receipt with you along with your green card, and those two items together will get you back into the country. That's what you need to give to Customs and Border Patrol. If you are, well, let me back up a little bit. Instead of 12 months, now it's going to be for 24 months. So if you are filing to do that replacement now, then your receipt itself is going to say, instead of 12 months, it's going to say 24 months, okay? So you know that you have 2 full years to use that document, that receipt, along with your expired green card, and that's what you use to re-enter the country. If you have already gotten the receipt that says 12 months, then USCIS has said that they will issue you a new receipt that's going to say 24 months. I've seen in instances before where that has been promised, and then maybe there's a delay on the back end. And so what I have been advising people to do, especially if you are traveling, is to go and get a stamp in your passport to show. It's let me give you the exact name of the stamp so that you'll know it. It's the Alien Documentation, Identification, and Telecommunications stamp. So it's an ADIT, or added stamp. You can go to your local field office. You need to call USCIS's 800 number, request an info pass in order to do so. Get the appointment, go there and with your passport and get the stamp so that you can travel back into the country. So this means that you need proof of your lawful permanent resident status. That stamp will provide that in the meantime while you wait for them to issue you your new green card. So I hope that this information is helpful. I do want to kind of well, not kind of, but I do want to say congratulations to one of my clients, and this is a very special person because this is actually a relative who was actually able to finally get approved for their lawful permanent resident status to come to the United States. So I won't say any names, but you know who you are, and part of this was applying for the processing to be expedited for humanitarian reasons. If you find yourself in the same boat where you know that you have a need to have a green card issued to a family member because of exigent circumstances, make sure that you are submitting all the proof that you have regarding those circumstances. If it's medical, if there is an actual date that the person needs to be here by, have that in writing from a medical provider. Have it on their letterhead so that USCIS can confirm that this is an actual document coming from the medical provider and not something that's made up. Affidavits are always helpful, but let's see, diagnoses are always very helpful. Anything that you can think of that would build a history on paper as to why that person needs to come is what you need to submit to the government so that they can do a full assessment of the case. So in this case, that is what we did, and you know, thank God everything was approved and they should be here shortly. So just wanted to mention that one, and as usual, good morning, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.